Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the prerequisites and taking the first shots now. Use a tripod or solid support so the frame never shifts. This preserves continuity. Open your manual camera or stop-motion app and lock focus, exposure, and white balance so lighting stays constant. Once done, set your phone to airplane mode to avoid interruptions and low-power movement. Make sure the scene and props are precisely positioned. Then take the first frame. This first capture establishes the base you will build on. Now you proceed through the detailed execution. Move the subject in small, consistent increments and capture each frame. Use tape marks or a grid under the subject to keep displacement uniform. This consistency creates smooth motion versus erratic jumps. Aim for 8 to 12 frames per second. 10 FPS is a reliable test, and adjust based on motion speed. Once done with several frames, review playback in the app. Make sure to use a remote shutter or the timer to avoid introducing camera shake. Finish by exporting and checking the complete sequence so you can catch problems early. Render at your chosen frames per second and watch for jumps or flicker. Slight cropping or in-app stabilization can hide minor jitter. If you notice misaligned frames or sudden shifts, reshoot the affected segment with smaller moves and stricter positioning. One key troubleshooting tip: if a single frame is bad, remove it and retest playback. Sometimes deleting that frame or reshooting it fixes the timing without redoing everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.